Hello, my name is Korja and I'm from Enactus UFV and I'm a part of Big Brain Literacy program. In this video, I will be covering the topic of debit and credit. Let's take a look at the concepts behind a credit score. Let's take a look at this question. What is a credit score? A credit score provides insight about a account holder's ability to manage their credit to potential lenders. This score is represented in a 3-digit number between 300 to 850. This score can increase and decrease based on the ability to pay money back on time. So, where to check your credit score? In Canada, if you want to check your credit score, there are two different ways to do it online. That is through Equifax Canada or TransUnion Canada. You can visit their websites and find all the forms and procedures to check your credit score. You need to be cautious when checking your credit score because it can impact your credit score itself in a negative way. There are two different ways to check a credit score. First, soft inquiry. This comes up on your credit history when a credit check is done for non-monetary lending reason. Therefore, there is no impact on your credit score. Second, hard inquiry. It comes up on your credit history when a credit check is done for money lending reasons. Too many of these can impact your credit score and they usually can stay up to 2 years on your credit history. But if you keep up on all your payments in a timely manner, they can be removed sooner. In terms of credit score number itself, 300 to 579 means a poor score. 580 to 669 means a fair score. 670 to 739 means a good score. 740 to 799 means a very good score. And 800 and above means an excellent score. Talking about the benefits of a good credit score, it include lower interest rate for loans and credit card, better chance to get approved for credit and loans, more power to negotiate term, easier rent approval, insurance discount, pay less on security deposit, better interest rate for mortgages, and last, easier to get approval for higher credit limits. There are many negative impacts of having a bad credit score, which includes denied employment, high insurance premium, difficult to start up a business, debt collector calls, denied phone contracts, higher security deposit, very difficult to get approved for renting, and last, possible denial for credit card and loans. Even if they have a bad credit score, there is still a good chance to improve it. Here are some of the ways to improve your credit score. First, you need to have patience. It can take years in some cases. You need to work with credit repair advisor for support. Inquire about increasing credit limit gradually. Avoid debt or keep it low. Pay all the bills on time. Use credit card for some monthly payment. Don't open unnecessary credit card account. Use credit card every month to keep it active. And last, constant check your credit card account statements. Please sure to follow us on all our social media accounts. We are on Instagram at Enactus UFV and at Big Brain Literacy. Our Facebook is Enactus UFV. This is our email enactusufv at ufv.ca and this is our LinkedIn Enactus University of the Fraser Valley. Thank you for listening and I hope you take some good points from the presentation.